Bradley recommends installing the latest software on all wash bars to maintain optimal product performance. Installing an earlier version of the software will not harm the wash bar or control module, however, the wash bar may not function properly. To check the current software version on the wash bar, look at the LCD screen on the control box. The number that flashes after rev will tell you the current version running. In this case, it's 102. To update the latest software, visit the WashBar Software Update webpage. Select the correct wash bar. Download the 3 files to a USB flash drive. Make sure the file is in the main directory on the flash drive and not in any folders. Disconnect the power supply to the WashBar master controller and then insert the USB drive. Reconnect the power supply to the WashBar master controller. The control box will automatically reboot and the LCD will turn on. The display will then show rev followed by 3 numbers. In this case, it's rev 102. Double check that you have installed the software correctly by removing the USB flash drive and rebooting the control box. The master controller will now show the latest rev version.